suggest a low competition keyword that will rank me high in Google search results. Hi everyone, today we're building Keyword Idea Agent. The Keyword Idea Agent goes through Google search results and research what are the best keywords for you to target. And then you can use the keywords to write blog posts or create videos or do any content, whatever your content creation system is. So here in this video, we're going to build a keyword idea agent using n8n, and I'll show you step by step how to do this. I also include the free template and the JSON workflow file that you can download directly into an n8n, and also the SOPs for the keyword idea agent. The keyword idea agent generates keyword ideas for you, so every week or every day you can just tell the agent, give me a keyword idea that will rank me high in Google search results. And from there, the keyword agents, when it generates the idea, it will add it to a Google Sheet. Let's do this. First, you're going to sign in n8n, create a workflow, add a first step, just type in AI agent. In the system prompt, here prompt chat input, here add option system message. In the system message prompt, you will copy and paste exactly from the SOPs that I provided, link in the description. Pretty much you're a keyword idea agent. Your job is to generate keywords idea that helps. This prompt is very specific for the system because what we do is we connect our Google Sheet with different columns, keyword, search volume, keyword difficulty. And when the AI agent generates the keyword, it adds it to our Google Sheet. So we can track it, what time the keyword was generated. And we have also notes and priorities score. What you're gonna do is just gonna copy and paste this system prompt right here in the system message. And then you're gonna connect your OpenAI API key. So you're gonna come here and type in OpenAI chat model. And here you're gonna connect your OpenAI account, right? If you don't have the API key, go to openaiapi.com and generate your API key. You can add it right here into the credentials. And from here, it's all going to be connected. And here I choose, I think the best model is the GPT-5 Nano. That's the newest. It's fast. It's working super good. So here, once you connect your OpenAI chat model, we're going to add a simple memory here, and we're going to add context window. We're going to add 10. So it has this simple memory, which lets you go back 10 messages. And from here, we're going to add another tool, which actually is Google search tool. It's serpapi.com. You can go ahead and log in serpapi.com, create an account, generate API key, and this is all for free for the first 250 research. So from here, I'll just type in SERP Google search, right? And here you will connect your credentials, and same thing to the credential. You just set up your SERP API account. And here, once connected, what the agent does is using the system prompts and all the tools connected, including the Google search, the agent actually search for the best low competition keyword opportunities for you. And it adds them to the Google Sheet. Next thing we'll do, we're going to add the structure output. The structured output parser basically help the AI agent to structure your output in a certain way since we're connecting Google Sheet. And so if we clean up result, that's how I named it here. If we open the parser, we're gonna see here how the structure is how we want it to be. We want this information to be the output, and that's why we added this cleanup results. Next step is to add the edit field node. We're gonna type set, and so here, set fields, and we're gonna keep the manual mapping mode, and this will be pretty much all done for you in the pre-made workflow. So basically, again, it structures the fields and how do you want the output to be. And so the manual mapping, and here's all the fields to set. These fields must match exactly to your Google Sheet fields. And from here, last step is to append a row in a Google Sheet. So what you're gonna do is add the plus sign, Google Sheet, and then append row in the sheet. And you need to connect your Google Drive account and connect your sheet right here. So basically, this is your keyword idea agent. On your workflow, basically in your Google Sheet, you receive the information just like this: keyword, search volume, priority score, and then you can start writing your blog post. One important thing that I think I did not mention is when you add your prompt into the system message in the main AI agent, right here in the beginning, you will change to your company name and your industry niche, and then you're all good to go. You can access all this documentation in the description. I have the JSON file prep for you, SOPs, and the Google Sheet, which you can just make a copy and create it in your Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure this keyword idea agent would save you time.